I want to show you this short video. It's like 1 second. It was a live photo, and I was taking pictures of these ships right here in the sky. These right here are ships, and they have beings in them, all kinds of beings. I think it's just one species of them, but I was taking a photo today right here, and this is the live photo. Okay, did you see that? Let's watch it again. Looks like a normal flock of birds. Just like that. We can drag it. Watch them. You may say, why are you showing us this? Well, because the beings have projected their images, especially right here, and we're going to view this. They have projected their image on these birds. They aren't real birds. And this is not the first time that I've seen beings on birds. Yeah, you may say, oh, well, that looks like a normal flock of birds. No, it's not normal. It's far from normal. And I always have around anywhere between 5 to 7 birds, blackbirds like this. Every time I step outside, there's one great big one that appears. But we're going to look at these closely because there is a UFO, an extraterrestrial being right here, and we're going to look at that, okay? We're going to look at that. If I can shrink this video. This is a black and white of the birds, okay? Let's zoom up on this if I can. See it right there? The extraterrestrial has projected its image on this bird, and I don't think these birds were real. I really don't, but that's okay. You can clearly see the extraterrestrial's face there. And I always, when I see them in the sky, I think, okay, you're not normal. Right here was another extraterrestrial. But yeah, this is, if you haven't, seen this before, please have an open mind, because, these extraterrestrials have the ability to do all kinds of things, just like that. So let me pause this. I think it's cute, and that's why I want to share it with you. We're going to look at just a few inverted images of those birds, because there was like, I don't know, around 6 different frames that the birds appeared in, and I know this is kind of whatever, but the birds were small, and I was in my car. Look at this. This is not a normal bird. That's like, yeah, these extraterrestrial technology projecting themselves in the shape of birds is what they did. Yeah, look at that. How can... I didn't do that, okay? It is the ETs. It really is. Let's see. Boom, yeah. Boom, and see, you can see it again. The face of the extraterrestrial. It shouldn't be on the birds, but it is. You can see it again really well right there. And this is just a different shape. Here's a side-by-side image of the extraterrestrial projecting its image in the shape of a bird, just to make a presence known is what they did, because they knew I was taking pictures. I want to show you one more. which is on this one right here of the bird. Let's see. Right here. Let's look up on this. Let's zoom up. Look at this. See? It looks like there's a ship inside of this right here, because I believe their cloaking technology is very advanced. And again, they just flew right by me. And I see these, it's probably the same type, the same ones all the time. Then they just disguise themselves into, you know, whatever we have in our environment. I'm trying to see if I can see where the other one went. It's up there. Yeah. So this is pretty interesting. So if you have been out there and think, well, you know what? I think that is a UFO in disguise. You know what? Chances are you're probably right. But I just wanted to share this with you. And please, I ask you to please have an open mind, because these UFOs are out there. These extraterrestrials are out there, and there are many different types, and I don't feel any threat by these at all. I don't. They watch me. I think that you could probably call these the watchers. I wonder if they are the watchers. But in these clouds, in these ships that are in these clouds, if I shrink this down, there are thousands of them. Thousands of these. They look like heads. That's all you can see in these is their heads. They're all peering out from all of these ships. Some heads are big, some are little, but they're all in here. These are ships, I'm telling you. They're not clouds. They're ships. And then within these ships, some of the beings have the ability to create this dark clouds, what look like clouds, out of their eyes and their mouth. It may sound funny and may sound strange, but I'm telling you the truth. They are cloud making, I don't know if they're cloud making machines or cloud making extraterrestrial or cloud making cloud beings. They exist along with other beings up here. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Okay. And yeah, I mean, this may not be for everybody. This may turn somebody off thinking, okay, she's seeing things in the clouds. No, I'm serious. I'm so serious. I really am. There's so much more to this world. You know, we've got to explore every single bit of it, not all the big battleships and stuff. Well, of course, people want to see the big battleships, the big Nibiru system. But what about the life form that's in the sky? What about the life form that is right here with such advanced technology that they can disguise themselves in the shape of birds and things, okay? What about that is what I ask you.